Bobby here with the flat picking style from Tennessee. Tennessee stud. Yeah. Sustain that A note. Just hammer down on that C. That's how it begins. Here's the verse. To C, from the D chord to the C chord. Sustain that note. One more time. Just pulling hammers off of those notes. A, G, F, E. That Tennessee stud. Then back to the riff. Had a little trouble with my sweetheart's paw. One of her brothers was a bad outlaw. Wrote a letter by my Uncle Fudd, and I wrote away the Tennessee stud. Here's the chorus. Tennessee stud was long and the Tennessee